Hello Earthlings! Welcome back again to my channel, Doodle Goes to US Market. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Help me out to reach 50 subscribers at least by end of July. We tried June but it seems na there's no chance, so we will move to July. So, kung Pilipino ka naman, nagtitrade sa Pilipinas, meron tayong offloader sa Pinas Market naman. Pa-subscribe naman din, ano? So, let's start with our top gainers or top trending stock. We have ISKI IL from NYSE. We have VETE and ECUPB. Then we have from Nasdaq, RAIN, and we have ATPC, and we have CRVO. So this is our top gainers or trending stock that we have selected for today's review. So let's start with ISKI IL. So I think we did a blog yesterday for ISKI IL. So ISKI IL, how much our target price? So ISKI IL. So yesterday. So ISKI IL, our target price is $10. So where are we now? So yesterday we did a blog that there is a chance also it will pull back because of this demand. So now we choose to move to the upper side. So let us remove this one. So we see there might be a chance that he need to break this 7.62 in order to reach to the upper side. So now the 762 is now our support. So let us check. So we have here the the sell order block, the red one. So that's why we target it at $10. So here we have a resistance somewhere here, and we have also another one at the top. So meaning, so we're almost there at the top at this first resistance. So let us check the 1 hour or the 30 minutes time frame. So I think it is, so it play, there is a pump. So from here, it go just pump. So I think there is no news. So there is no news, but there was a pump from here of the price. So we see here we have a sell order block here. See the red one. So meaning there is a chance for this ISKI IL to pull back from here, and there might also a chance it will pull back to the upper side. So that is why we target for $10. But if this is not strong enough to hold, there is also a chance it will pull back to the $6. Because here we have this gap or imbalance, meaning there might a chance that it will fill in this area here. So careful. If you were having a profit, better take some profit. Or see, we have here the demand somewhere here at 6.5, So, and there we have here the sell order block also with at $10. So we will just maintain our target price for $10, and we will see next week what we will do. So because this stock is having a free float of 4 million, meaning there is a chance of there is a high volatility because of a low free float of 4 million. So careful. Please be advised. Read this one. This is not a financial advice. Do your own due diligence. This is just my own thoughts and my review for this ISKI IL. Next, we have VETE. So VETE, I think we did some 1 week ago. Let us check how much our target price for So we have it should be A. So we have target price of $35. So $35. So why 35? We don't have anything here. So because of this one, we have this resistant here. That's why we target the highest price of 35. But before that, there might be a pullback also will happen if he reaches to 28 or here, somewhere here. So let us check the small time frame. So there is somewhere here a resistant, I think. So there is a resistant, this one, this blue. So now we already broke that blue. So in between this one, there is no too much strong resistance for PETE. So there might a chance that we will go to the 28 and there maybe because here there is an imbalance in this area. There is imbalance here. So there is a chance also it will move to this upper side. And the negative side is if this is not strong enough to hold, there is also a chance it will pull back. So might be pull back and it might be somewhere here or there is also a $11, but I think I am bullish for this one. So there is a chance to move to the other side. So that is VETE. ECUPB. So ECUPB. So look like the stocks now is there's no too much stock is trying to move to the up during the open market. So maybe by next week we will be seeing more stocks that will fly to the moon. So here from ECUPB that we said that it forms a bullish flag, then our target is the post of the flag. So our target is the somewhere at $30. So during our last review, we see the might go up and there is a chance of resistant or it will pull back somewhere here because of this resistant at $12. So he is about to enter to the this one. You see, it is starting to resist. So there is if you can see the candle is too much weak or this stick one. So and we have also imbalance here. So there is a chance that this ECUPB it might pull back. So if this one is not strong enough, it will move to the downside for this one with the 9.4 where demand. But if this is strong enough, there is a chance it will move to the upper side also. So we will just maintain the same our target price for long term and at $28. And this one is we are having a free float of 78 million. So it is not exposed to the volatility of the price because of the huge free float. And now we are trading only around 387,000. So we'll see and watch by the next for ECUPB. Let us check our target price for ECUPB. So yeah, $20 our target price for ECUPB. So next we have RIN, REIN. So before we see that it will move to the upper side because of this sell order block. So what it didn't. So what he did is he tried to pull back. Now he bounced back. So I think this would be the. So we'll just maintain our so this REIN should break this 2.68 or this one 2.6. So we are seeing resistant already somewhere here because of this a pullback because of this resistance. So there is a chance this will continue the consolidation also. So it might pull back and bounce back. So there is a chance it will do a consolidation before moving to the upper side. So we have a sell order block here. So how much our target price before? Do we have REI in? REI in. REI in. Oops, RU. Should be I. So we have REI in. Target price is $8. So $8. So we have why $8. So we have a target of $8 because of this sell or order block, a huge sell order block. So you need to break this 2.64 and then also this 3.5. So we will see what's and see for REIN with a free float of 2 million. So this is I feel sleepy because of our stock now is not there's no too much movement. So we will see for REIN. ETPC. So please bear with me, my English. So with a free float of 474,000, so where this will go? So no news, there was a reverse split. So the reason maybe this reverse split. So I'm seeing many stocks that they're doing a reverse split previously for last 2 months or 1 month. And it is pumping up or it's flying rocketed to the moon. So ETPC, there is a resistance here. So that he need to break this one, the $6 at least. So he need to break. And there is also another resistance somewhere here at $8. This one, almost 9. And we are seeing a big drop. So I think the drop is this news of the reverse split. So there are more too much sell off. So meaning there is imbalance in this area. So that there is a chance that will be fill in the coming few days, weeks, or months. Nobody knows. With having a free float of 47,000, this is not impossible to reach to 70 or 60. Once he break this $6, so there might be a chance it will fly to the moon for ETPC. So target price is $70. So when we don't know, maybe. But because of this one, I am bullish for this. So we will see ETPC in the coming few weeks, these months. Next, we have CRBO. So yesterday, we have a blog for CRBO that it will move to $10, our target price. Now, CRBO is still, I think last 2 days ago or 3 days ago, our CRBO. Let us check CRBO. So 1 day ago, so target price is $10. So $10 because of this sell order block at the top somewhere here. We have a huge sell order block at the top. So now he's trading at 6. Actually, it opened to 7. But because of some resistance or some sell order here being executed, that is why it pulled back. So so this is a bullish candle. So there is a chance, so we'll just move. So there is a chance it need to break this red one. It turned into gray like this and cut like this. It was cut, so there is a chance it will move to the upper side. So when at the same time we don't know. But be careful. This is a 5 million free float. That is meaning because he did a jump up or gap in this area. There was a gap. So there is also a chance that it will fill in the gap. So careful. So if you have some profit, don't forget to take some profit for CRVO. So that is all for tonight. Today, this morning, wherever you are, thank you very much to all our viewers and subscribers. Adios, mi amigos, mi amigas. Babus.